Ashish Mishra, accused of running over farmers in Uttar Pradesh's Lakhimpur Kheri, will appear before the police today, said his father and Union Minister of State Ajay Mishra. He skipped the summons yesterday due to health reasons, said his father. The UP police have filed a case of murder against Ashish Mishra but have not arrested him so far. Though the Union Minister admits the SUV that ran over farmers belongs to him, he maintains his son was not in it. The UP cops have issued notice to Ashish Mishra under Section 160 of CRPC, which concerns attendance of witnesses. Legal experts have questioned the notice issued under this section to an accused in a murder case. However, police sources say that a person summoned under Section 160 CRPC can also be arrested based on their statements. Moving on to the next news, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy on Friday sought Prime Minister Narendra Modi's urgent personal attention to monitor the power generation scenario and take appropriate remedial measures to tide over the crisis in view of the non-availability of coal stocks. Given the state's precarious financial situation, it was not able to purchase required power from the open market as the purchase prices have also shot up with growing demand. In a letter to the Prime Minister, Chief Minister asked PM Modi to direct the Coal Ministry and the Railways to allot 20 rakes to thermal power stations in Andhra Pradesh. He also sought revival of stranded and non-working pithead coal plants on an emergency basis regardless of the ongoing proceedings before the National Companies Law Tribunal. Moving on to the next news, a group of 136 countries on Friday set a minimum global tax rate of 15% for big companies and sought to make it harder for them to avoid taxation in a landmark deal that US President Joe Biden said leveled the playing field. The deal aims to end a 4-decade-long race to the bottom by setting a floor for countries that have sought to attract investment and jobs by taxing multinational companies lightly, effectively allowing them to shop around for low tax rates. Moving on to the next news, photo sharing platform Instagram said that it has fixed issues that blocked access to its services on Friday. Things have been fixed and everything should be back to normal now. Thank you for bearing with us and for all the memes this week, Instagram said in a tweet. Instagram was again down for several users within a week after the Facebook-owned platform faced a massive outage late on Monday. Moving on to the next news, the Islamic State claimed responsibility for the Afghanistan mosque attack where at least 100 people were killed and injured, according to news agency AFP. The terror group said that the executor of the attack was an Uyghur. A Taliban official said a blast went off Friday at a mosque packed with Shia Muslim worshippers in northern Afghanistan's Kunduz province, killing or wounding at least 100 people.